Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, I'm super excited. We are switching out our Happy Planner Mini to Halloween. I've never done Halloween in my planner, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, please continue to watch. All right, y'all, I'm so excited. Everything right here just brings me pure joy. I'm letting y'all know right now, we're going to be saying a lot. I apologize in advance. Maybe every time I say take a drink of water. Okay, so let's get started. So what I have is a Live Love Posh. I believe it's the Croc planner, planner cover, the snap-in planner cover in black. It's super cute. I'm excited to use it. It does have a pen holder. So I'm just going to be moving things to the side so that we can go ahead and get started. I do have pumpkin orange rings from the Happy Planner that we will be using today. I have the, the plastic thing that came in with the planner, the custom planner for 2025. So we're going to be using this today and see how it works. I have not tried it, so we will see this together. Let's move this out the way. I have some washi tape that my husband purchased for Christmas. It was a set that had all the holidays, St. Patrick's Day, like everything was in this, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, New Year. So I do have 2 of those. So it's actually cool because I didn't even realize that my whole theme was kind of orange and purple. So that was right on time. I had some ribbon that I used to make bookmarks, but we'll talk about this a little bit later. So let's just get everything slid to the side. It's a lot of pieces, a lot of pieces. All right, I have my planner. All right, first we're gonna pull out our little plastic, ring holder. I don't know what this is actually called. So we're going to be entering our rings. A mini has 7. So I hope this works. Yes, I'm trying to line it up. Don't say nothing about me. Don't talk about me. All right, first we're gonna do the snap-in planner. This is supposed to be easier. We shall see. Ugh. Can I get in there? Yes. Yeah, I'm struggling. I kind of feel like okay, stop. We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop. We're gonna take it off. Are we gonna take it off? Yes. I don't like that. Okay? I don't like it. It's so much easier just to snap them in. Y'all are getting to see me struggle in real time. That is not for me. Move it out the way. And I'm sorry I have like lotion, so you're gonna see some streaks, but let's figure out how to get this front cover on. I hope I'm in frame. You guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that just embarrassed me just a little bit, but whatever. All right, last one. Stop playing. There we go. All right, that's super cute. Then, oh, for anyone that doesn't know, this is, like I said, a Live Love Posh cover. It has some pockets here. There's another pocket there. I believe this is a pocket right there. All right. So then I ordered on Etsy a mini planner cover. You recognize these sisters. I don't want to say their names, but you recognize them. You see them. I thought this was so cute. And then look at the inside. That's so cute. So if you didn't like the front cover, you could switch it to that. But this, yeah, that's everything. So we're gonna snap that one in because I like having a cover inside of the cover. Okay. All right, so this is what we have so far. That is so cute. All right, then we have our, I can't separate it, our planner cover. Next, I'm only putting October in here because I plan on doing another video and refresh for November. So what I have right here is my horizontal that I had to create because y'all know it was very hard to find anything horizontal. So I had to find an undated and date it myself. It was tedious, but we did it. So we are going to put this in our planner. Like putting in the back. I can use this as a journal. It is undated. It does not have that checklist on the side that the other planners had. All right, we're gonna snap that right in. Now, I made some dividers because I felt like my planner was kind of boring other than just the covers. So in a previous video, I showed you guys what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. These are just the paper, cardstock paper, I guess, but it's more like a paper feel. So I did pick this up, and what I did, I don't know if you can see that or not, I did punch holes in it. I cut it to the length that it needed to be, and then I rounded the corners. So I figure I would toss these in. That is so cute. And I don't need them to be super sturdy because I'm only using them for a short period of time. I also made this page just to have something decorative. It was just regular paper that I went ahead and added our washi to. And then I found these little stickers from Amazon, and then this came from a Happy Planner book, a sticker book. So we're going to throw that in there too. Now, I'm trying something new. I don't really like a lot of change. I have told y'all a million times, I am a dashboard girl. I am going to challenge myself for October, and I am going to try the vertical. This makes me so nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I am very scared. I've never decorated it. I feel like it's not gonna look like I want it to, but I'm going to try my very best and see how it turns out. Now, if you follow me over on Instagram, I do share my weekly spreads. Actually, hang on for 1 second. Let me find something. Sorry about that. I thought I grabbed everything. If you follow me on Instagram, I do show my weekly planner, and I just wanted to show you what I did this week. I am a September baby. My birthday is coming up on the 27th. So I did a birthday spread for myself. It came out so good. Look, so cute. Love it. So I am used to dashboards, okay? I'm very nervous about using this vertical, but we're going to try it. Now, if you see the first spread a vertical and then the next spread is a dashboard, mind your business. Just mind your business. Don't say nothing. Don't talk about me. Just know it did not work out. I'm gonna try, but I can't make y'all no promises. So this actually is my October. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there anyway. We're gonna put it in the back, right? I should have faith in myself, but like I'm a realist. Who knows? I might want to decorate all of them. I don't really know, but I do want to make this just a little bit thicker. All right, so then I have October. Let's go ahead and put a little divider inside in front of that one. Then we have this one, which is our horizontal. We got some cute dividers there. And then we have, if I can pick it up, our vertical layout. Now, I did make a shaker. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now, y'all should be really proud of me because I'm proud of myself. I will pat me on the back. I do not draw. I don't have that type of talent or skills, but I did have some cardstock paper that I'll be using for Thanksgiving, like for November, and they were just regular pumpkins, and I drew little faces. You'll be so proud of me. Yeah, they have little faces. And then I just cut out some of the extra scraps that I had. And then I put 2 stickers with some sequins, like a little shaker. I don't know if you can see it moving around. And I just put it in my book. I just thought it was super cute. And I just used my washi tape to seal down. There was an opening here. Wait, we got one coming out. Okay. All right, y'all see in real time. She's trying to squeeze on out, so we're gonna press her down. But I just thought that would be super cute to just add in the front. Let's seal her down real good. And then there's nothing on the back, so just ignore it. She's a little ugly on the back. But I just thought it was super cute to add. And then what I like to do is I use this habit tracker. It is a mini size. I do put one in there monthly. And then I write down what I want to track for the month. So we're going to take one. If I can get them separated. And we're going to add that in. And then what I'm going to do is I like to put, instead of date, I just put, October. And then the 3 things that I want to track. I like to track my water intake to make sure I'm hitting my goals. I do my YouTube videos to see, when I'm posting. And then I do like my social media, like Instagram posts. So I like to throw that in there too. I'll go back later and decorate that, or enter in what I need to, but we'll just stick that right there. Now, for little extra things to decorate this and spruce this up just a little bit more, I have, y'all know I love these big paper clips. I have one in orange and I have one in purple. I feel like that goes super good with this planner. I also have decided to use this pen that I purchased at Dollar Tree. So we're going to slide that in the pen holder. And then I used that ribbon I was telling you about, and I made a little paper clip that will clip on the top. I picked up this orange from Walmart. I did write on it, so I would remember where I got it from. So I picked up this orange ribbon, and then I picked this one up from the Dollar Tree. So together, I just made this cute little clip, and we'll clip it to, I don't know, just a random day in October. So we'll just do this. That'll be my bookmark. When I close my planner up, you'll be able to see it out the top. And then I made these. Now what they are, it's a paper clip that I used a croc charm or croc compatible charm. I have tons of them. So I went ahead and made a little owl bookmarker. I also have one that is not behaving today, but this one is a little skeleton that says Happy Halloween. Y'all know I don't like super scary stuff, so this is good enough for me. So I do have that. Actually, let's slide them over so they're not on top of each other. So that's like super cute. And then I found just a couple more that maybe, I'll switch out halfway. I have this little vampire mouth with a little drop of blood, a little tombstone that said love you to death, and then this little pumpkin. So yes, I may maybe go back and make a change and maybe add something different maybe halfway through. And then I have the little bookmarks. So yep, this is what we have today. I am super excited. Let's close it up and see what it looks like. Let's snap her shut. Look at that, y'all. Now, this is too thin for me. I can already tell right now, so I'll probably go back and maybe add like September. I kind of like looking back at some of the things that I've done. So I may go ahead and do that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Like, how adorable is this? Are you guys decorating your planner for any of the upcoming holidays? I'm going to warn y'all now. I am a Christmas girl. I'm a Christmas girl. I'm a Christmas girl. I got a new planner cover. So many things to go inside. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you guys are doing. What are you looking forward to? I'm going to find something else to do with that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Do not forget to come on over to Instagram, Come follow me, hit that button. Let's be friends and have a good time. My Instagram is Change of Plans with Angie, just as it is here on YouTube. Don't forget to also come over here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, share it with someone, and subscribe. And let's be friends over here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.